So hi everyone, let us see some more interesting problems on Maclaurin series. So how to expand some more problems by using the Maclaurin's expansion. As you take this problem, so obtained by Maclaurin's theorem, the first five expansion of log of sin x. We already know how to expand log of x, log of 1 plus x, but this is a log of 1 plus sin x. The function is log of 1 plus sin x. So first to take this function is y. So I am very comfortable with y instead of f of x. Okay, so that's why I am using y. So take y is equal to log of 1 plus sin x. So that is let y is equal to given function y is equal to log of 1 plus sin x. Y is equal to log of 1 plus sin x. You take this is 1. Okay. So now Maclaurin's expansion. Maclaurin's expansion of y of x is, so that is y is equal to, it is y of 0 plus x into y1 of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into y2 of 0 plus and so on. It continues up to x to the power 5 term they are asking. So we have to write up to first 5 terms like this. Okay, take this is equation 2. Now you consider y first. Y is equal to log of 1 plus sin x. So y is equal to, it is log of 1 plus sin x. Okay, now we differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of y is y1. Differentiation of log of 1 plus sin x is 1 by 1 plus sin x. Again differentiation of sin x is, differentiation of sin x is 1 plus sin x is cos x. Differentiation of 1 plus sin x is cos x. Okay, now it is y1 is, so first to calculate y of 0. Y of 0 is equal to log of 1 plus sin 0. As sin 0 is 0, so it is log 1 is 0. Y of 0 is 0. So next we have to find the value of y1 of 0. So if possible you simplify that y1. So because, so if y1 keep this as it is, so in next step you have to use quotient rule for cos x by 1 plus sin x. So how can we simplifying this y1? So y1 can be written as, so ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? So y1 is equal to, so you see cos theta can be written as, or cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Like that, cos x can be written as cos square of x by 2. Cos x can be written as cos square of x by 2 minus sin square of x by 2. This divided by, so this 1 plus sin x can be written as, 1 can be written as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. So this one I am written. Okay, so next this sin x can be written as, sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. I am just using some trigonometric identities here. So cos theta, so what identities I am using here is cos theta is equal to, here we are using some identities. Cos theta is equal to, sorry, this is cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, and sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So that are two familiar trigonometric identities. Yes, we are using that. In numerator it is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Cos square theta minus sin square theta can be written as, or x square minus a square can be written as x plus a into x plus a into x minus a. So now By using that, you write y1 as y1 is equal to y1 is equal to, as here use a x square minus a square formula, this can be written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So this is because x square minus a square is equal to x minus a into x plus a. This divided by you see it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. That a square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole square, that is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. So in numerator we have sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. So you cancel one of this. Remaining is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So again you write this y1 is equal to, you take cos x by 2 in numerator as a common factor. So if you take cos x by 2 common factor, then it becomes 1 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. And the denominator also you take cos x by 2 common factor. Cos x by 2 common factor ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, this is sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, because cos x by 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು cos x by 2 ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. So plus 1. So now again cos x by 2 cancel with cos x by 2. So you can write this is 1 minus tan x by 2. y1 can be written as y1 is equal to 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2. ಈಗ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. And you can write that 1 is, ಈ 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 1 ಅನ್ನ you can write it is tan pi by 4. 1 can be written as tan pi by 4, or you can use the direct formula. ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus a ಅಂತ, tan of pi by 4 minus a ಅಂತ. So you can use that. Here you write 1 is tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2, because 1 means tan pi by 4. Again in denominator it is 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x by 2, because tan pi by 4 value is 1. So now it is in the form of tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 minus 1 plus tan a tan b can be written as tan a minus b. So it is a standard formula. So that is y1 is equal to, this is tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. This is y1. Yes, of course it takes so much steps. So it's otherwise if you are not simplifying like this, then we are facing some difficulties in doing the differentiation. So avoid all those difficulties, I have just simplified that y1 like this. y1 is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now you calculate what is y1 of 0. So therefore y1 of 0 is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus 0. Tan pi by 4 is tan 45 degree, it is 1. So now you differentiate this y1 to get y2. So differentiating this with respect to x, differentiation of y1 is y2. Differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. So it is secant square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Again differentiation of pi by 4 minus x by 2 is, pi by 4 is a constant, ಅದರ differentiation 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Differentiation of minus x by 2 is minus 1 by 2. So now you write this is y2 is equal to, y2 can be written as minus 1 by 2 into secant square pi by 4 minus x by 2. So now what is y2 of 0? y2 of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 into secant square pi by 4 minus 0. What is the value of secant pi by 4? What is cos pi by 4? Cos 45. Cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So secant 45 means it is reciprocal of that. So it is root 2. So root 2 square minus 1 by 2 into this is root 2, because secant pi by 4 is root 2 square. Root and square cancels, remaining is 2. 2 cancels. Sorry, this is not visible for you. Okay, now it is minus 1 by 2. So secant pi by 4 is root 2. Root 2 square. Root and square cancels, remaining is 2. 2 cancels, remaining is minus 1. This is y2 of 0. So again I differentiate y2 to obtain y3. So differentiate this with respect to x. So then differentiation of y2 is y3. y3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into differentiation of secant square theta is 2 secant theta into tan theta. Differentiation of secant square theta is 2 secant pi by 4 minus x by 2. So I am just differentiating secant square. Secant square ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? secant ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Differentiation of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta. So it is secant of pi by 4 minus x by 2 into tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Again differentiation of pi by 4 minus x by 2. ಮತ್ತೆ pi by 4 minus x by 2 ನ differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Hope you understand this step. First we have to differentiate power. Power ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ secant, ಮತ್ತೆ secant ನ differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ secant ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ pi by 4 minus x by 2 ನ differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that is the procedure. Here you write it is y3 is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus ಇದೆ, minus minus becomes plus, and you can cancel one of these two. 1 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 by 2 ಇದೆ. So that 1 by 2 I am written here. 1 by 2 into secant square pi by 4 minus x by 2 into tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, so simplifying y3 as y3 is equal to half into, you see now this half into secant square pi by 4 minus x by 2, or minus half into, okay, you can write this one as istano 1 by 2 into secant square pi by 4 minus x by 2 can be written as minus y2. ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾವು minus y2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So you can write this is minus y2. So ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ, ಸಾರಿ, ಎಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ minus y2 ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. So you are grouping like this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, you can take minus and minus here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ minus 1 by 2 into secant square pi by 4 minus x by 2 can be written as y2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ outside minus ಇದೆ. So then it becomes minus y2. This is minus y2, and tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 can be written as y. So that is y2 y1. y2 y1. So this is y3. So therefore y3 of 0 is equal to minus y2 of 0 into y1 of 0, which is equal to minus, what is y2 of 0? y2 of 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, it is minus 1. y2 of 0 is minus 1, and y1 of 0 is plus 1. y1 of 0 is plus 1. So y3 of 0 is plus 1. Again to find y4, you differentiate this with respect to x. So that is differentiation of y3 gives y4 is equal to minus y2 into differentiation of y1 is y2 minus differentiation of y2 is y3, keep y1 as it is. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ minus ಇದೆ, minus multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is y4. You can simplifying this y4 as y4 ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು minus y2 square minus y3 y1 ಅಂತ. So and calculate what is y4 of 0. y4 of 0 is equal to minus of y2 of 0 square minus y3 of 0 into y1 of 0, which is equal to minus of what is minus y2 of 0. y2 of 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 square and it becomes plus 1. Minus 1 square minus y3 of 0. y3 of 0 is plus 1 into y1 of 0. You see that y1 of 0 is plus 1. So this is what? This is minus 1 is minus 2. Don't think this is plus 1 because minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. y4 of 0 is minus 2. So ಎಷ್ಟು steps ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ? How many steps they are asking? So they are asking to find first 5 expansion. First 5 terms. So is that already obtained first 5? Okay, no problem. You take one more step here. It is little bit slow. Yes, you take y4 of 0. Yes, you first you take y5 first. Differentiate y4, you get y5. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of y4 is y5. y5 is equal to minus differentiation of y2 square is 2y2. I am differentiating its power. Again differentiation of y2 is y3 minus. You keep y3 as it is. Differentiation of y1 is y2 minus. Differentiation of y3 is y4. Keep y1 as it is. So that is, you simplifying this, it is minus 3 into y2 y3 ಇದು y2 y3 ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. It is 3 into y2 y3 minus y4 y1. So that is y5 of 0 is equal to minus 3 into y2 of 0 y3 of 0 minus y4 of 0 and y1 of 0, which is equal to minus 3 into y2 of 0 is minus 1, y3 of 0 is plus 1, minus y4 of 0 is minus 2, y1 of 0 is 1, which is equal to 3 plus 2. And rest ಆಯಿತು 5 ಆಯಿತು. Sorry. So it is 5. Substituting all these values in a given function. ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So now y is equal to, what is y? Log of 1 plus sin x. Log of 1 plus sin x. Now y is equal to, okay, using this in expansion 2, I don't know whether will we give some name or not. Yes, it is 2. Substituting in 2. So then we have y of x log of 1 plus sin x. So log of 1 plus sin x is equal to y of 0. What is y of 0? Y of 0 is 0, I think. So initially find what is y of 0 is, yes, it is 0 plus y1 1, y2 minus 1, y3 1, y4 minus 2. Okay, so just remembering that values. Yes, it is y of 0 is 0 plus x into y1 of 0, it is 1 plus x square by 2 into y2 of 0 is minus 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial into y3 is 1 plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial into y4 is minus 2 plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial into y5 is 5. So it is continuing like this. So therefore log of 1 plus sin x, log of 1 plus sin x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial. So it is minus x cube by 3 factorial, or you can write it is x cube by 3 factorial can be written as 6. So x cube by 6 minus 2 into x to the power 4 by 4 factorial is 24 plus 5x to the power 5 by 5 factorial is 120 and so on. Or you can write it is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 6 minus, you can cancel 2 and 24, then it gives x to the power 4 by 12 plus 5 divided by 120 is 24, x to the power 5 divided by 24, you can guess next term, x to the power 6 by 20, 24 2s are 48, okay, 12 2s are 24, like that. So it is difficult to guess that one, because initially we have 2 3s are 6, like that. It is not possible to guess like that. So if you wanted to write it, you find it and substitute there, okay. So we don't know what is the x to the power 6 by, it is the 48 or something else, okay. So like this we can expand the given functions. Yes, one more problem on Maclaurin's theorem is log of 1 plus cos x. Log of 1 plus cos x is both seems to be similar, but they are different. So first you write the given function y is equal to, so log of 1 plus cos x. So let us see how can we simplify this. So y is equal to log of 1 plus cos x. Log of 1 plus cos x, you take it is 1. So it's Maclaurin's expansion. Maclaurin's expansion of y is, it is y is equal to y of 0 plus x into y1 of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into y2 of 0. Okay, it continues like this, you take it is 2. So now you take y and differentiate this. Y is equal to, it is log of 1 plus cos x. Now you differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiation of y is y1. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So it is 1 by 1 plus cos x. Differentiation of cos x is, yeah, it is minus sin x. So now what is y of 0? You calculate that. Y of 0 is equal to log of 1 plus cos 0. So that is log of cos 0 is 1. So it is log of 1 plus 1. It is log of 1 plus 1, which is equal to log of 1 plus 1 is 2. Y of 0 is log 2. So now just simplifying this y1 can be written as minus, you know that sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This divided by 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. Here you can cancel this 2 and 2. One of the cos x by 2 also cancels. So then what is y1? y1 is equal to minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2. So if it tan comes, then you know this is the third problem of the tan. So okay, so in previous problem also at the stage of y1 we get tan function. So and one more in one of the previous problem So there also we get tan functions. You know what to do for tan 1. Okay. Yes, you first calculate what is y1 of 0. y1 of 0, I think it is 0. So y1 of 0 is equal to minus tan 0. So minus tan 0 is 0. Minus tan 0, it is 0. So again you differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiation of y1 is y2, okay, which is equal to minus differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta is, so it is secant square x by 2, so 1 by 2. Okay, in previous problems we are differentiating tan, and after that we convert that secant and tan in terms of y. So but you follow some different way here in y2 case. So y2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to, that is also wrong what I told now, that is also not wrong, but ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೊಸದೇನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ secant square ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ, you write it is 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2. So which is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus, what is tan x by 2? Tan x by 2 is y1 or minus y1. So what is tan square x by 2? That is minus y1 square. Or you can write it is y1 square. Simply you can write it is minus of y1 square, y1 whole square is y1 square. This is y2. So find the value of y2 now. y2 of 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus y1 of 0 square, which is equal to, so minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus, what is y1 0? y1 of 0 is 0, so it is minus 1 by 2. Sorry. Yeah, it is minus 1 by 2. y2 of 0 is minus 1 by 2. Again, I differentiate this with respect to x to find y3. y3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into differentiation of y1 is 0. Differentiation of y1 square is 2y1 into y2. 2y1 into y2. So you can cancel this 2 and 2. So now y3 is equal to minus y1 y2. y3 is equal to minus y1 y2. Okay. So it is y3 is equal to minus y1 y2. Calculate the value of y3 of 0. So y3 of 0 is equal to minus of y1 of 0 into y2 of 0. Yes, y1 of 0 is 0, so this becomes 0. Again, to find y4, you differentiate this with respect to x. So then y4 is equal to minus of differentiation of y1 is y2. Keep y2 as it is. Again minus. Keep y1 as it is. Differentiation of y2 is y3. So therefore y4 of 0 can be written as our first, y4 is equal to minus y2 square minus y1 y3. So therefore y4 of 0 is equal to y4 of 0 is equal to minus y2 of 0 square minus y1 of 0 into y3 of 0, which is equal to minus of y2 of 0 is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 square. This is minus 1 by 2 square minus, so y1 of 0 is 0, it is simply 0, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. So substituting, is that any restrictions in the given problem to find y4 or y5 like that? Just first 5 expansion they are asking. As you need to find one more step. So I think y5 also 0. Let us see what happened. So differentiate this with respect to xy4. So differentiate y4, it is y5 is equal to minus 2 y, differentiation of its power minus 2 y2, Again differentiation of y2 is y3 minus 2 into differentiation of y1 is y2 into y3. Sorry, 2 is not there here. Sorry. So 2 illa alli alva. So y2 differentiation of y1 is y2. Differentiation of y1 is y2 and y3 keep it as it is. ಮತ್ತೆ y1 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, y3 differentiation ಮಾಡಿ. Keep y1 as it is. Differentiation of y3 is y4. So now it is minus 3 y2 y3 minus y1 y4. So y5 of 0 is equal to 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ y3 of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, y1 of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. So y5 is 0. So better you find one more step, y5 y6. So differentiate this with respect to x. y6 of 0 is equal to 2 into differentiation of y2 is y3, minus is there. Sorry, what is it? What this is minus 3. Minus 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು minus 3. Minus 3 into, this is minus 3 into differentiation of y2 is y3. Keep y3 as it is. Again minus 3 into, keep y2 as it is. Differentiation of y3 is y4 minus differentiation of y1 is y2 into y4 minus keep y1 as it is. Differentiation of y4 is y5, which is equal to minus 3 y3 square minus ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ y2 y4 y2 y4 ಇದೆ. 4 into y2 y4 minus y1 y5. So now you can calculate y5 of 0, y6 of 0. y6 of 0, sorry, I am writing it is y6 of 0, but it is not y6 of 0. This is y6 of x ಇದು 0 ಏನಲ್ಲ. So which is equal to y6 of 0 ಇವಾಗ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, which is equal to y3 of 0 whole square ಅಂದರೆ it is 0 minus 4 into y2 of 0 into y4 of 0. y5 y1 y5 ಎರಡು 0 ಇದೆ, ಅದು 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is equal to minus 4 into y2 of 0 y4 of 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿಕೊ. y4 minus 1 by 4 y2 minus 1 by 2. So write it is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 4 cancels. So which is equal to minus of minus plus into minus minus. It is minus 1 by 2. y6 of 0 is minus 1 by 2. Using or substituting these values. Substituting these into 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so then it gives that log of 1 plus cos x is equal to, so y of 0, the y of 0 is log 2 plus y1 0 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ plus x square by 2 factorial into y2 of 0 is minus 1 by 2 plus y3 0 plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial into y4. y4 is minus 1 by 4. y4 is minus 1 by 4. So and the last y6 is minus 1 by 2 again plus x to the power 6 by 6 into y5 0 ಇದೆ, I am not written that y5. So it is x to the power 6 by 6 factorial into y6 of 0 is minus 1 by 2 plus and so on. You can simplify this as log 2 minus x square by 2 factorial into 2, you can write it is 4 minus x to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial is 24. 24 4s are, sorry I am not calculating that. 24 4s are, how much is this value is 24 4s are, so less than, so 96, think it is 96. Calculate 24 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 8 9 96. So it is 96 minus x to the power 6 by 720. 6 factorial means 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial is 720. 720 into 2, 720 into 2. Okay, it is like this, it continues. Okay, this is the expansion of log of 1 plus cos x. So if possible, you try to find this series. Secant x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 plus 5x to the power 4 by 4. And also try to solve this. Yeah, yeah, tan inverse of x, tan inverse of x. So try to find tan inverse of x, expansion of tan inverse of x. Yes. So next session I discuss some more problems. Thank you.